Hello students, welcome to maths class. Let's start our exercise 2C. So here first question is to subtract. So we have to subtract it. So the first part is this. So it's a request to write every number in a straight line. So let's start here. 5 subtracted by 7 subtracted by 5. So 5 can't, it's 5 and 7. So greater number can't be subtracted from a smallest number. So we will take carry from it. So it will be 15 and this number will reduce by 1. So 1 minus 1 it will be 0. 15 minus 7. So 15 minus 7 will be 8 and 0 9. So 9 cannot be subtracted from 0. So let's take a carry. So it will be 10 and it will be reduced by 1. So it will be 3. Okay, we have to write it there one number before. So 10 minus 9 is 1. Here, and 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2 and 6 minus 2 is 4. So it is the answer. Next B part. 4 6. 6 cannot be subtracted from 4. So let's take a carry. So it will be 14 and it will reduce by 1. So that is 6. 14 minus 6 is 8. 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 minus 4 is 1. 6 cannot be subtracted from 1. So we will take carry from it. So it will be 1 and it will be 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. Now 9 cannot be taken away by 1. So again take carry. It will be 11 and it will reduce by 1, that is 7. Again 11 minus 7, 9. So 2 and 7 minus 3, it will be 4. Next C part here, it is, so here 6 cannot be taken away from 5. So let's take a carry. It will be 15 and it will reduce by 1, that is 2. 15 minus 6, it is 9. 2 and 7, it will not subtract. So now take a carry. It will be 12 and it's 5. 12 minus 7 is 5. 5 minus 2 3. 6 minus 3 3. 3 minus 1 2. 9 minus 6 3. Next here D part. 2 6 minus 2 4. 9 minus 5 4. 8 minus 4 4. 3 minus 3 0 and here 4. Always remember to cut the lowest number from the upper number. Don't subtract the upper number from the lower number, that is 6 minus 5 1. No, it's wrong. Okay, always subtract lower number from the upper number. If it can't happen, then take a carry. Now come to question number 2. It's a word problem and the question is very long, but the solution is small. A train runs between Delhi and Kolkata and carries about 2,87,450 passengers in a month. Okay, it is the data of one train. It carries itne passengers. While another train runs between Delhi and it is about the another train between Delhi and Bengaluru and carries about 4,18,630 passengers in a month. Find the difference in number of passengers carried by both trains. So here there are two trains here. First carries these passengers and second carries these passengers in a single month. So we have to find the difference. So first we will start our solution with a statement. Don't do it in shortcut. Write statement also. So here a train runs between Delhi and Kolkata. It is a data of first train. So we will write that passengers because these numbers are of passengers in first train. So how many passengers are there in first train? So there are 2 lakh. Give proper space 87,450. And next, second train. So passengers in second train. So how many passengers are there in second train? This. So it's 4,18,630. So write this number from opposite so that it will be easy for you to solve. So 0 here and it's 3. So write 3 here, 6, then comma, 8, 1, comma and 4. Okay, and we have to find their difference. So note down here difference. But it's a small number, it's a big number. So big number cannot be subtracted from a small number. So we will write this number above. So difference is equal to, first note down this number, 4,18,630, and this number below this number. So 2,87,450. Write each digits in a straight line. Then we have to subtract it. So here 0, 5 cannot be subtracted from 3. So we will take carry, it will be 13 and it will be 5. So 13 minus 5 is 8, 5 minus 4, 1, comma, 8 minus 7, 1. 8 cannot be subtracted from 1. So again we will take carry and it will be 3. Always reduce the before number while carrying. Then 11 minus 8 is 3. Put comma here. 3 minus 2 is 1. So the difference of passengers is 1,31,180. So today we have completed our exercise 2C. So in this way you have to solve your assignment. Thank you.